May I is used to ask for something politely. Examples: May I have a cup of black tea, please? May I get your phone number? May I ask for a fork, please? May I ask something from you? May I have your dress? May I have some sandwich, please? May I drink some milk? May I have a bite of your cake? May I get some candies? May I have some of these cookies? May I is also used to ask someone for permission to do something. Examples: May I introduce my business partner? May I excuse myself? May I use the powder room? May I ask a question? May I add something to that? May I give you a presentation of our new product? May I talk to Mr. Davidson, please? May I have a look at your display? May I offer you some drinks? May I see your identification?